welcome to another episode of Dick Small Engines. Now back on the STIHL TS350 cut-off saw. As you can see here, the exhaust mounting bolt, which I don't believe to be genuine. When it come out of the factory, I believe the existing owner of this unit, as it's clearly snapped in the past, the mounting stud or bolt. You can see here they've just nipped it up with two 10mm nuts. You can see where it's snapped there where my index finger is, and there. Now, as opposed to using easy out, which I have got and I do use, I'm going to show you another method in which I'll use just enough thread, I think, to get a 10mm nut on there, and use welder nut on and see if we can free it up that way. So let's have a butcher. Right, so I've just welded that 10mm nut on. As you can see, aesthetically it's not great. We've just tacked it on. We're not here to win any prizes for Welder of the Year award. So we've got that welded or tacked on, and all I like to do is a bit of lube, like so. Let's get our 10mm spanner in, zoom you in a bit, gently try and manipulate her out. Like so. So there you have it, an alternative to using easy out on a broken stud or bolt if you've got access to a welder. So until the next one, take care, ta-ra for now.